Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best kitchen knife sets of 2026. The essential tools for home cooks who want precision, durability, and style in their kitchen. Whether you're a budding chef perfecting your slicing and dicing skills, a busy home cook preparing meals for your family, or someone who values safety and efficiency in food prep, we've handpicked the top kitchen knife sets that deliver sharpness, balance, and ergonomic design. We'll break down each set's key features like blade material, handle comfort, and included knife types, so you can find the perfect set for your culinary needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's slice into the best kitchen knife sets for 2026. Starting with the Ho 8-piece kitchen knife set. This set is ideal for home cooks who need a complete and reliable selection of knives for everyday tasks. Ho is known for producing durable and well-balanced knives that combine performance with value. The set includes an 8-inch chef's knife, 8-inch bread knife, 7-inch Santoka knife, paring knife, utility knife, and a set of steak knives, all housed in a sleek wooden block for safe storage. Each blade is crafted from high-carbon stainless steel for long-lasting sharpness, and the ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip for extended chopping or slicing sessions. Users love the precision and balance of these knives, though some mention that the block can take up counter space. Overall, it's perfect for those seeking a versatile and stylish knife set that covers most kitchen needs. Next, the Raxco 10-piece kitchen knives set is a fantastic choice for home chefs looking for an extended selection of knives for more specialized tasks. Raxco has a reputation for offering high-quality, corrosion-resistant knives at affordable prices. This set includes a chef's knife, bread knife, Santoka knife, carving knife, utility knife, paring knife, steak knives, kitchen scissors, and a sharpening rod. Each blade is forged from premium stainless steel for superior edge retention and rust resistance, while the non-slip handles ensure safety during food prep. Users praise the durability, comprehensive knife types, and sleek design, though some note the handles can feel slightly rigid at first. Ideal for those who want an all-in-one knife set that handles every kitchen task with confidence. Coming in at the Cook kitchen knife set combines professional-grade construction with modern aesthetics, making it perfect for home chefs who value style as well as performance. Cook knives feature high-carbon stainless steel blades with a sharp edge and excellent edge retention. The set includes essential knives such as a chef's knife, bread knife, utility knife, paring knife, and steak knives, along with a stylish block for convenient storage. Ergonomic handles provide a secure and comfortable grip, while the blades are precision-forged for optimal balance and control. Users appreciate the sharpness and design, though some mention that frequent honing is required to maintain peak performance. Overall, it's a great choice for stylish and efficient home cooking. We have the Voss ceramic knife set, designed for home cooks who prioritize precision, lightweight handling, and safety. Voss is known for creating ceramic knives that stay sharper longer and resist stains and odors better than traditional stainless steel. This set features multiple ceramic knives including a chef's knife, utility knife, paring knife, and slicer, all with ergonomic handles for comfortable cutting. The non-metallic blades are ideal for cutting fruits, vegetables, and boneless meats, while preventing chemical reactions with acidic foods. Users love the lightweight design, sharpness, and hygienic properties, though the ceramic blades can chip if dropped or used on hard surfaces. Best suited for health-conscious cooks who want easy-to-clean, sharp, and safe knives. Finally, the Amazon Basics color-coded kitchen knife set takes versatility and safety to the next level, making it perfect for families or busy home cooks. Amazon Basics focuses on providing functional, durable, and affordable kitchen tools. This set includes a range of knives with color-coded handles to prevent cross-contamination. Red for meat, green for vegetables, blue for fish, yellow for poultry, and more. Each blade is made from high-quality stainless steel, and the ergonomic handles ensure a secure and comfortable grip during food prep. The color coding system is praised for hygiene and convenience, though some users note that the blades may need more frequent sharpening compared to high-carbon steel options. Overall, it's the ideal choice for those who want safe, organized, and practical knife storage while maintaining excellent cutting performance. And that wraps up our top 5 best kitchen knife sets of 2026. From the versatile Ho to the comprehensive Raxco, the stylish Cook, the precision-focused Voss ceramic, and the safe, practical Amazon Basics color-coded set, There's a kitchen knife set for every home cook's needs and preferences. Which one will you add to your kitchen next? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Check the description for current deals and grab the best kitchen knife set for your home today. Thanks for watching.